Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. We are solving Maxima Minima word problems from application with derivative, class 12, exercise 6.5 from NCERT book. So today we will solve question number 24. You must have read the question. So always try to read the questions very carefully so that you can find what is given, what is maximum, what is minimum, or what to prove. Question is, show that the right circular cone of least curved surface and given volume has an altitude equal to root 2 times the radius of the base. The question is about a right circular cone. Right circular cone you have already understood. The base is a circle and right means when height makes 90 degree with the radius. This is your right circular cone. And for the cone, you know, this is your slant height. And the curved surface area is least. Least means it is minimum. So curved surface area, whose formula is your pi r L. I will denote this S, and this is your minimum. Anything is minimum and maximum, you know that its derivative is 0. Given is volume. Volume is constant here. Given volume means constant. So what is the formula for volume? It is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is given. This is means V is constant. So minimum is there, constant is there. And then what we have to do? We have to show that the cone has altitude equal to root 2 times of the radius. H is equal to root 2 r. You have to prove this to show. Okay. So surface area is equal to pi r L. It is minimum, so its derivative is 0. So derivative 0 means there are two variables here. One is r, one is L. You have to change it. हम तब तक इसका डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर पाएंगे जब तक एक वेरिएबल में ना हो. सो आर को एल में चेंज करना है या एल को आर में चेंज करना है. तो हमको सब रिलेशन लिखेंगे. वन इज एल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. This is very common relation, and which is without this you can't do anything in the cone. Second is what is given, v. From v also you can change one variable to other. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So what I am doing, first I am separating your r square from v. So r square will be 3 times of v by pi h. This is r square. Then what about L square? L square is equal to h square plus r square. What is r square? It will be 3v by pi h. This is your L square. Next I'll go for, so L is converted to h. See, L is converted to h, but not L, L square. So L is converted to h and r square is also h. Now I'll go for your surface area. So what I'll do, I'll square it so that I'll get L square on r square. So s square is equal to pi square and your r square L square. Now I'll replace L square by h square plus 3b by pi h and r square as your 3b by pi h. So a square is equal to pi square. Instead of r square, I'll put this one, 3b by pi h and in place of L square I'll put the last one, h square plus 3v by pi h. So I will multiply 1 pi, of course I'll cancel. So a square is equal to 3v I am keeping outside because it is a constant. H I am taking inside. So h square by h gives you h. H will be multiplied here in the denominator. It will be 3 by v by pi h square. So this is your s square. Now for derivative. Derivative will be 2s ds by dh. H is the variable here. S square 2s ds by dh. I hope you are following. I am applying the chain rule. Here 3v is constant. H derivative with respect to h is 1. And this 1 by h square is will be minus 3v by pi is constant. 1 by h square derivative will be minus 2 by h cube. And this is equal to 0. So 3v cannot be 0 as ds to dh is 0 because s is minimum. S is minimum, we have already mentioned here, S is minimum. So ds to dh is 0, so whole right hand side is also 0. So I'll write 3v into 1 minus 6v by pi h cube is equal to 0. So this gives me 1 is equal to 6v by pi h cube, or this is equal to v is equal to how much? Pi h cube by 6. Then after getting this v is equal to pi h cube by 6, I'll go to this expression r square. So r square is equal to, I'll put 3v is equal to pi h cube by 6 whole by pi h. Pi cancel, 1h is cancelled to h square, 3 by 2. So I am getting r square is equal to how much? H square by 2. Or h square is equal to 2r square, or h is equal to root 2r. H is equal to root 2 times the radius. So I proved. Now verification. Verification, when you will differentiate this, certainly you will get a positive term. So second derivative is equal to 1 derivative is 0. This is negative h cube. So this will be positive 3 by pi, and here it will be positive 2 by h cube 3 by h4. So this is your positive. When it is positive, minimum is verified. Minimum surface area verified. So I hope you have enjoyed. So thank you for watching. Keep on watching and share the video, subscribe the channel and like the video, or you can write in the comment section if you like the video. So thank you and have a nice time.